welcome back to the channel. Let's see what this is going to be. Oh my gosh. I've not done this in a long time. I kind of turned the volume down on everything. We'll see if that's any better. Now, for you who are catching up, there's, well, okay, let's see. What we got?
Get repeated, fling yourself into space.
Okay, we have falling bricks and watch your head and tunnels. Okay. Just to catch you up, I have now a blue and a red or orange shooter weapon thing, or whatever. Aperture, I guess it's called. So let's see. It wants me to jump. So where am I going to jump to? Oh, up here. I see. So there's that. Let's assume that's right. Again, assuming. I have no idea, guy. Okay. Let's see. I don't know why there's stairs, but maybe. Nice. 2 dots. Okay. Hey, look at that. All right. 2 dots. Blue. Okay. I gotta back up here. Let's see. Nice. Let's put a Mr. Blue there. Beauty. Okay. Righto. Ooh. All right. Here we go. Oh, nice. 3. Oh, we have a bendy. What's going on here? Uh-oh. I have a button. What is this? What does this do? What is this button? What is this? What is this? What does the button do? The button does nothing. Okay. Wow. Oh, a cube. There's a cube. Up there is a cube. I need the cube. Yeah, alright. Let's try this. What do you say, ladies and gentlemen? Here we go. I got a cube there. Oop. Yep, I still got a blue. Oh, wow. Where's the thing? Where's the deal? Where's the thing? I can't jump. What is that? Alright. That's interesting. Usually it just continues. I never had to come down to another level like that. Alright. I'll probably die. Here we go. Oh. Made it to 4. I have a cube. And okay, fine. Oh. So I have get on there. Okay. Hopefully that keeps the door open. Wrong way. Okay. I think this might be the save level. Oh boy. Nice. Yay. That's a saver.